start? Hello? The main focus is up here. Let's go.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Welcome back. Back in the engine bay. I have to swap the sandwich plate over because, let's be honest, that's ugly. If you're wondering what this lovely piece of metal in my hand is, we gotta modify the bracket to make sure this thing isn't wobbling around my engine bay, even though that was a poor example of it wobbling around. There we go. Good example. Then we're draining the water out of this and putting actual coolant in. Thank you very much.
We gotta modify the bracket to make it go to this hole. So I gotta do some bending and bending and bending, maybe re-drilling. Spoon would be happy.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good. Ain't going nowhere.
Relocating real quick. Instead of going through the trouble of unplugging the intake yet again, because it's been on and off like 50 times just this week alone, we're gonna drain everything out from the bottom rad hose. Plug. As you see, things got a little wet.
Kylie doesn't know how to use a hose. It's true. All right, we drained it. Can you hurry up?
I'm trying. It's
You look
slipping.
like a slug.
Now time to take off the thermostat so we can get to the sandwich plate. This is all changed, flipped, flopped. Time to put in the fluids. It's my favorite time of the day. Coolant. Ooh, it's pink. Thermostat open. We're good to go. How's it looking?
Looks good.
You look good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ta-da!
Boom, 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 bled. Ready to go.
So Jordy's gonna double check to see if there's a bulb to fix my turn signal.
Because it's stuck on. And apparently if it's stuck on, you have a bulb out. And there's no bulb in this one, so it makes sense why it's stuck on. We got our mess of wire, and there's a bulb.
Yay!
Woohoo.
Pew, pew, pew. Hold up. Wait a minute.
It's a Kylie. Pew, 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 pew.
So guys, in the 5 minutes that we were gathering everything, guess who registered their car for Formula Drift? Car show. I'm not driving. Imagine. Kylie Hilton, pro spec driver. Alright, for some reason the turn signals are still not working. Change the bulbs, change the fuses. I'm sitting here and self-pitying myself because this is pissing me off. Jordy's still messing around with it. Not sure what's going on.
That's what's going on.
Without the
It's not
lights.
Plugged in.
Well, that would make sense.
I fixed it. Good job, me.
Alright, we're gonna run to Advanced real quick for a bulb, see if we can fix this. Got the goods!
Thanks, Jim.
Right, plug these bad boys in. What the heck? The passenger side is still out!
Maybe that's it. Whoever wired the other like an asshole probably wired this. Like, just for reference, zoom in at this connector. There is no connector. It's just electrical taped in place. Who does that?
Not me, because I don't know how to do wiring. Calling it a night. We'll be back tomorrow to figure out that wiring situation over that headlight.
Dreaded wiring situation.
And we'll be back to match my rears. See you tomorrow. 90 degrees today. I'm scorching. Maybe I can fix this soft tan I got going on. Splice. The red goes to the red.
And what else goes to the red?
The brown. All right. That's what it looks like right now. Now, time to plug it up.
And plug your light back in, and hopefully it works.
Plugged it back in real quick. Just gonna let it dangle before we unscrew the mess and try it again. Yes! Check it back. Yeah, it's blinking. We fixed it. So now we're gonna heat shrink, wrap it up real nice, unscrew, plug everything back in, and then Matching the rears.
Also, disclaimer, butt connectors might also not be the way to do it, but I feel like it is a hell of a lot better than whatever was there before. Good enough.
All right, gonna save the cosmetic stuff for last because we don't want to get the hard stuff out of the way. We already went ahead and put the race ramps underneath the car and jacked it up so we can get to the back. Gonna jack this up by the diff. Whoop, whoop. There we go. Time to take the wheels off. Gotta get the coilover wrenches. Alright, let's see. 115. Alright, so we know the front is 150. Yeah, we gotta lower this one a lot. 187. Yikes, sorry. I'm gonna do this the smart way. Whatever. Good enough. Should be good. Okay. A little bit.
You gotta go 1/4 of an inch. That might be good.
Close. You say about 2 twisty turnies? Yes, sir.
Nice, right on the money.
All right, wheels are back on. Let's put this down. Well,
Drive it around a little bit too, it should settle.
yeah, I don't hate it. All right, let's put the skirts back on. Now the cosmetics. Everything is A-okay for the most part. Now to do my TPS. Jordy's gonna do that because Jim's the man and taught him how to do it.
You're straight, just go back.
Not as iffy as it was, but definitely still iffy. Take 2. That's supposedly. Yeah. Don't run over my foot. Take 3. good. TPS is good. And the is back. Forgot to add during the TPS testing, we got a random coolant leak. Honestly, not too sure where it came from because we ran a few tests and it didn't happen again. So maybe it'll happen again so we can figure it out. But for now, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back next time.